Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into one of the most important questions of our time. How will artificial intelligence change jobs in the next 5 years? AI is no longer a futuristic idea. It's here right now, shaping industries, automating tasks, and even creating brand new careers. But with every breakthrough comes a big question. What does this mean for you, your job, and your future? In this video, we're going to explore the jobs AI is likely to replace, the jobs it will transform, and the new jobs it will actually create. We'll also look at how you can prepare yourself to stay ahead in this fast-changing world. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply curious about the future, this video will give you a clear picture of where we're heading. So stick with me until the end, because understanding this shift could be the key to thriving in the future of work. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been around for decades. But in the last few years, something has changed. AI has become smarter, faster, and far more accessible. Think about tools like ChatGPT, which can write essays, answer questions, and even code, or image generators that can create realistic pictures in seconds. These tools aren't just novelties, they're being integrated into businesses across the world. Why now? Because of three major breakthroughs. First, data. We produce massive amounts of data every day, from our phones, emails, and online activities. AI feeds on this data to learn and improve. Second, computing power. Modern GPUs and cloud computing allow AI models to process enormous amounts of information in real time. And third, algorithms. New designs like deep learning and transformer models have given AI human-like abilities in language, vision, and decision-making. All of this means AI isn't just a support tool anymore. It's becoming a core part of how companies operate. From customer service to logistics, AI is quietly running behind the scenes. Let's start with the hard truth. Some jobs are at high risk of being replaced. First on the list, customer support agents. AI-powered chatbots can now handle simple questions 24/7, faster than a human ever could. Companies like airlines and banks are already using them. Second, data entry and repetitive office work. If your job involves copying, pasting, or processing forms, AI can do it more accurately and without fatigue. Third, retail cashiers. Self-checkout machines and AI-powered stores, like Amazon Go, are reducing the need for human staff. You simply walk in, grab what you want, and walk out. AI takes care of the payment automatically. Fourth, fast food workers. AI-driven robots can already flip burgers, make coffee, and prepare simple meals. Some restaurants in the US are experimenting with fully automated kitchens. Finally, basic content creation. If you write product descriptions, simple news summaries, or repetitive blog posts, AI can do this instantly. But here's the key. AI doesn't replace all humans. It replaces tasks, not necessarily entire professions. A customer support department may need fewer agents, but humans will still be there to handle complex cases. The takeaway is this. Repetitive, predictable tasks are at the highest risk. If your work can be written as a checklist, chances are AI can do it. Not all jobs will vanish. In fact, many will be transformed. AI will act as a powerful assistant, boosting human productivity. Take healthcare. AI can scan X-rays, detect early signs of disease, and analyze patient data. But doctors are still needed for empathy, decision-making, and patient care. AI doesn't replace doctors. It helps them. In education, AI tutors can adapt lessons to each student's learning style. But teachers still guide, inspire, and provide human connection. In marketing and creativity, AI can suggest ideas, write ad copy, or edit videos. But human creativity is still required to set strategy, connect with audiences, and craft stories that resonate. In software development, coding assistants like GitHub Copilot can write entire functions, but programmers still review, debug, and design the big picture. The pattern is clear. AI handles the heavy lifting, while humans focus on higher-level thinking. The jobs that survive will be those that combine technical knowledge with human skills like communication, problem solving, and emotional intelligence. Also, what AI can't do is subscribe, like, and share this video like human, or maybe it can. Let me know in the comments section. Now for the good news. AI isn't just taking jobs, it's also creating them. One emerging role is AI ethicist, people who make sure AI is fair, unbiased, and safe. Another is prompt engineering. This involves designing the right questions and instructions to get the best output from AI systems. We'll also need AI trainers and data labelers who teach AI systems what's correct and what isn't. Then, there are AI maintenance and support specialists, responsible for fixing issues and keeping AI systems running. Beyond that, AI is fueling new industries: robotics, self-driving cars, smart manufacturing, and biotech. Each of these fields will need engineers, designers, and managers. So while some jobs disappear, many new ones will appear, roles we couldn't even imagine a decade ago. So, how can you prepare for this shift? First, focus on skills that AI struggles with: creativity, emotional intelligence, and critical thinking. These are uniquely human abilities. Second, learn to work with AI. Whether you're a student or professional, start experimenting with tools like ChatGPT, image generators, and automation platforms. The more comfortable you are, the more valuable you'll be. Third, embrace lifelong learning. The days of one career for life are gone. The winners of the AI future will be those who adapt quickly, learn new skills, and stay flexible. So in the end, AI is not just replacing jobs, it's reshaping them. Some roles will vanish, many will evolve, and brand new careers will be born. The key is not to fear AI, but to understand it, use it, and grow alongside it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's curious about the future of work. And let me know in the comments, do you think AI will take over your job, or will it help you do it better? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around.